let's talk about something wild. Today, we're getting a first look at the Nubia Z90 Ultra. This thing is bold, it's in your face, and it's built to flex. If you could bottle up flagship energy, this phone would be it. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and definitely ring that notification bell. I've got my raw, unfiltered first impressions coming at you right here, right now. No fluff, no marketing hype, just the real deal. First impression? This thing feels incredibly premium. Under the hood, it's all about pure, unadulterated power. This phone doesn't hesitate. It just performs. The Z90 Ultra doesn't just whisper luxury, it scrims it from the rooftops. You've got these clean, flat edges, a sleek glass back, and a camera bump that just screams, I take professional level photos. When you hold it, it feels like you're holding pure potential. It's like traditional craftsmanship met futuristic ambition, and they decided to create something totally new. It's unapologetic, it's bold, and honestly, I'm a big fan. Now, just look at the screen. It's buttery smooth, incredibly vibrant, and razor sharp. Nubia is really showing off with this massive, bright display that basically laughs in the face of lag and makes colors pop like a heavyweight champion. Whether you're scrolling through social media, deep in a gaming session, or just texting your friends, this display absolutely delivers. Apps launch so fast, it's like they owe the phone money. Games run with buttery smooth frame rates, and multitasking feels like child's play. This is that always-ready energy that we all crave in a device. Okay, let's talk about the cameras, because Nubia clearly came to win. The main sensor feels like it could shoot magazine covers. The clarity is there, the detail is spot-on, and the dynamic range is genuinely impressive. But here's the real twist. It's not just about the megapixels. It's about how the Z90 Ultra feels when you're taking a picture. Every single shot feels intentional. It brings back that classic photography vibe that so many modern flagships seem to have lost. But here, it's back. So, here's the honest truth. The Nubia Z90 Ultra isn't just another smartphone. It's a statement piece. It's confidence you can carry in your pocket. It's tradition and the future walking hand in hand. And I am genuinely stoked to dig even deeper into this phone after I've lived with it for a while. If you care about raw performance, daring design, and serious camera power, this phone absolutely deserves your attention. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and let me know down in the comments, what feature are you most hyped about? Are you feeling the Z90 Ultra? I read every single reply. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.